Hey everybody, it's Brian from Cruisin with the Colemans, and I am here looking at the Coachmen Apex 186BH. This is a nice, smaller bunkhouse model for a family. It's gonna get you out the road with a half-ton towable. Let's take a look inside. We're gonna start out back here in the back of the rig. We've got a twin over twin bunk, which is really nice. Plenty of space right here to store a dog crate or a couple of bikes in here. And then we just unlatch this and flip it down. And we've got a bed that's gonna easily sleep a couple of kids. You got small kids, you could probably put 2 in each twin bed. Or, you know, it does make for a great dog bed. Let's take a look in the bathroom. This bathroom is actually surprisingly spacious for the size of the rig. So we've got a little tub, a bathtub back here, plus we've got plenty of height in the shower. So I've got about 6'2", 6'3" in clearance in the shower. Lots of elbow room around the toilet. Decent storage in here. Got a medicine cabinet, got a little bit of storage down here for some towels and things. So we've got a decent amount of space. "12-volt fridge, 8 cubic feet. Love the space in these 12-volt fridges because I've got all of the refrigerator space dedicated to storage. This is a ton of storage, so you can definitely have plenty of food out here for the whole family to get you through the weekend, or probably even a week's worth of food in here. Dinette set here, a little booth dinette. It's gonna sit 4 people pretty comfortably. We've got some pantry storage up here above. That's gonna be nice addition to space. This is closed off, so there's probably some electronics or something in here, but that's not storage space. We also have space underneath both of the booth seats, so there's extra storage there. Here in the kitchen, we've got a double burner propane stove. We've got a microwave oven, a really nice sized farmhouse sink. I don't want to mess up all the paperwork here. Nice sized farmhouse sink, plenty of room for doing your dishes. If you're going that route for your cooking, what's behind the curtain? Well, this is where the magic happens. Back up here in the front bedroom. Like I said, this is a smaller rig. It'd be a great couples coach with animals or a family coach. We've got a jackknife sofa right here that's got some storage bins underneath it. Pull it up and open it. And now we flip out our mattress to create a nice queen size bed. Now notice, because of the width of this rig, there's not hanging closets on both sides, but this is giving you a little bit narrower profile when you're driving down the road. We do have hanging storage back here, and we've got big storage bins up above the bed. There's plenty of room in here for the whole family. You could give everybody their own laundry basket or their own tub for their clothing, and then probably still have room for a couple of extras. 30 amp service. We've got an air conditioner right in the middle. We've got forced air heat, and of course that also heats our underbelly. All Coachmen Apex rigs are coming with 200 watts of solar on the roof and a 30 amp charge controller in the pass-through bay, and we're all Wi-Fi ready. All you have to do is unscrew this little hook, get a SIM card from your service provider, plug it in, and you've got a Wi-Fi hotspot, which will keep all the kids busy all night long, streaming or playing video games or whatever it is they're doing on their devices. Let's take a look outside. Up here on the tongue, we've got a case for 2 propane tanks. There's also room here for 1 or 2 batteries. You know, a little trick that we found out while we were here at the show is that most of the RV dealers are putting AGM batteries in, but sometimes they're offering specials to upgrade to lithium, so you can just get an upgraded lithium package, or you might be able to negotiate that in your terms as you're buying your rig. So talk to your dealer about lithium. Here in the pass-through, our pass-through is not huge, but there's still plenty of space in this pass-through for your camp chairs, for all those little things you need outside of the rig. Also, here's where my charge controller is located. I've got a couple of USB chargers and a 12-volt charger right here, and my controls for my lights on the front end of the rig. Another trade-off that I really like that they've done here is we don't have a lot of kitchen space inside, but we've got a great outdoor cooking space. So we've got a little fridge out here that's gonna hold all your drinks and your snacks and stuff. And then we've got these fantastic new griddles. This is a definite upgrade that they put in this year. Instead of a grill, we've got a griddle. This is a Lodge cooktop. And I'll tell you what, this thing probably weighs 15 pounds. It's heavy duty. We've got a cast iron griddle that just slides away when you're not using it. And it also has the propane set up right here. So I just pull this line down below and snap it in to the propane hookup. There's plenty of space for storage up here, a couple of tubs with some more of your outdoor gear, your cooking gear, and now check out the back. Nobody talks about RV bumpers, but this is a bumper that's been upgraded a little bit. It's heavier duty steel, and you could put a hitch receiver on it for some bikes or a storage tray. And notice they've even put the spare tire back here, so you know it's good and strong and it's sturdy. Up here, we also are pre-wired for a backup camera. Depending on the rig you get and when it was made, they've used a couple of different camera receiver models, but all you have to do is plug and play your new camera. Also, we've got a ladder connection here. So this is prepped to attach a ladder so that you can access the top of your rig easy without any problems. Coachmen Apex makes a whole bunch of great rigs to get you out on your next adventure. Check out our playlist up above. We've got tours for all of the new 2024 models and a few of the older models too. If you have questions about something you saw here or something you didn't see, shoot us a comment down below and let us know. Thanks for watching.